US30 and US100 both trading bullish, specifically US100 after the Apple's earnings, and yes, both trading with a super bullish bias. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and do not forget to watch till the end. The next update on these will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that video also. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Let's first we look into US100 followed with US30. And yes, if you are interested into other markets and commodities including Dow Jones, including FTSE 100 and Germany 40, Nifty, Bank Nifty, gold, silver, oil, natural gas, you can watch those analysis as well. So first start with the hourly charts there. On the hourly charts, it is taking a support here at 12,850 levels. With that as support, it is trying to rise. If you see it trading below 12,850, go short there. The target is 12,800 and 12,750 levels. So 12,750 levels, very strong support there on the downside. And yes, on the upside, be watchful of 12,920 levels. So once it breaks past this, you can expect a further high. What could be the next target? Definitely it will breach 13,000 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is near to overbought. MACD is wide divergent and bullish there. RSI is overbought on the hourly charts. Look at the 2-hour chart. Look at the 2-hour charts. The high there at 12,950. It is getting the resistance there. 850 is the support there. In between 850 and 950, we have to be cautious. Also look at this. After this pattern, it has not given a complete reversal. In fact, it has got a support there. It is trying to trade with that support. So it is still indicative that yes, there are still bullishness there. There is still bullishness there. And if you look at the directional movement, this is also extremely bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish, and RSI is overbought. So all the indicators are extremely overbought right now. We have to be watchful of that. Look at the 3-hour. So look at the 3-hour charts. Previous two candles, lower highs, higher lows, and see the flat ending there. Yes, if you see it trading below 12,850, possibly go short there and then expect it to. So if you see it trading below 12,850, go short and then you can expect 12,800 and 12,750 levels. On the upside, go long at 12,930. You can expect 12,950 and then 13,000 levels is a must. It may cross 13,000. Directional movement extremely overbought. Stochastic extremely overbought. MACD wide divergent bullish. RSI overbought there. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour chart, see, look at the 4-hour charts. It has created the base out there. With that is base, it is launched itself. And also one must not forget, 3 green candles are done. This is the 4th green candle. If it continues to trade in green, and on the upside, the resistance there at 13,050 is very strong. It can try to attempt and achieve. If it trades successfully about 12,950, the next target should be at around, it must cost 13,000 for sure. Then 13,040 and 50 will come into picture. Directional movement is extremely bullish here. It can converge a bit. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide and divergent and bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is overbought here too. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, now look at this with the flat bottom. It is trying to create this channel. Remember, it is trading in a second. This is the second green candle after this retracement. The highs of this channel are at around 13,050 and 13,100 levels. So for the day, you have to be watchful of this. And on the downside, if it trades below these levels at 12,850, you can go short there at 12,850 and expect it to come back. See, this is a you can see the Bollinger Bands high and the channel high there. So probably it may give a little resistance for it to sustain, and probably one can expect that it may come back to 12,800 and 12,750 levels, which is a strong support zone. Below 12,750, 740, you can expect a good drop again till towards 12,650 and 600 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is near to top. So in sum, in between 12,850, do not take a position, and above 12,930, you can take a long position. So in between 12,850 and 12,930, do not take any trade out there. About 12,930, you can expect that it may continue to remain bullish. About 12,930, if it sustains, my next target is going to be 13,000 and 13,050 levels. In fact, 13,100 cannot be denied. On the downside, if it breaks below 12,850, at least it must achieve 12,740 levels first target, then 12,650, 600 should get achieved, and below that we may see a good fall till towards 12,500. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, remember, two green candles are done. It is getting a resistance on the upside, hence may get a little pullback again on the downside. It could be, we for last 2 days we have seen flat green candles. Now this time it can be a good swing candle, hence you have to be careful with your trades today. And trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and yes, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 getting the support at 32,500, very clear on the early charts. Below that directly it will land to 32,400, very strong support at 32,400, and then after that you can expect it to drop further till towards 32,300 and 200. On the upside there is a clear resistance here at around 32,650 levels. So in between 32,500 and rather I say 32,600, do not trade. Above 32,600 there is a possibility of a taking a long, but there could be a little resistance on the upside. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is again trying to reverse and look upwards. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is near to top, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly after this retracement, after this lower highs, it is trying to reverse again. Go long at 32,600, then you can expect it to see. Be watchful of 32,700. Bollinger Band's high is there, and then 32,800 must get achieved. Beyond that, 33,000 is the target. And on the downside, if it breaks below 32,500, go short for 32,400, very strong support. Below that it may hit 32,200 levels. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is overbought too. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see it is still trading with a bullish bias, but be watchful. It is giving you lower highs, higher lows. A breakout should be considered. A very strong momentum should come. Yes, you can stay long above 32,600. You can go short below 32,500 only. Till the time it trades above 32,500, you can still stay long there. Directional movement bullish here. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought again. Similarly on the 4-hour chart, so the indicators are overbought on every time frame, hence a little cooling and a little retracement is required. Right now it is trying to trade in this. 32,500 must provide a support, and only if it sustains below 32,500 we can expect a good drop towards 32,400, and below that you can expect it to come back till towards 32,250 levels. Only breaking 32,200 there could be bearishness. The directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. RSI is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent bullish there on the 4-hour charts. Look at the daily charts now. On the daily charts you can find, after taking the support at 31,800, this is the second green candle which it has seen, and also this is the top of the Bollinger Bands here at 32,600 levels, 32,600, 32,650 levels. So be watchful. Also this is the top of the channel there, hence it has got a pullback again on the downside. Also remember, this is the first, second, and this is the third candle, and in general third candle can be a greener one, so it can cool down a bit till towards 32,400, and then a pullback again towards 32,800 can be expected later in the day. 32,400 is a very strong support for the day. Yes, be watchful of this. Only if it breaks below 32,400 and then 32,200 on the downside, you can expect that it may show a bearish move. So in sum, do not trade between 32,500 to 32,630 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD wide divergent bullish. RSI near to overbought levels. So again the same conclusion, in between 32,500 and 32,600 rather, I do not take a position. Above 32,600 you can expect 32,630, 700, and then 32,800 is a must if it continues to trade above on the bullish side. Till the time it trades above 32,600, then you can stay long, and then one can expect it to hit 32,800 today itself, and beyond that is also possible till towards 32,950 levels. On the downside, if it breaks below 32,500, go short for 32,400, very strong support for the day, and then 32,200 is the next strong support levels. In between there is an intermediate support at 32,318 levels. So take your positions accordingly. That may provide a little swings throughout this day. So trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to put the stop loss at cost whenever you see one target getting achieved, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, you can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 8th of August. Be a part of it. Don't miss this opportunity. That methodology and strategy taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel in the video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.